If you want to add text in SketchUp, whether you're labeling a design, creating signage, or building actual 3D lettering, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it. We're going to focus on adding 3D text, which creates real physical geometry inside your model. That means the text isn't just a visual label. It becomes an object you can move, rotate, scale, and place wherever you want. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick SketchUp tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open SketchUp and take a look at the main toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll want to find the rectangle tool area because the 3D text option is tucked inside that tool group. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Look for the small arrow or the little sub-menu indicator on the rectangle tool icon. Click that to expand the tool group and reveal the additional options hidden underneath. Once the menu expands, select the 3D text tool. You'll know you've got the right one because it's usually shown with an A inside a box. After you click it, SketchUp will open a dialog box where you can begin setting up your text. This is where you type in the words you want to use. You can enter anything from a name or label to a full word or phrase, depending on your project. After typing your text, you can customize the font, alignment, and height. These options are important because they control how the text looks and how it fits into your model. If you want your text to look bold and stand out, choose a font that suits your design. If you need the text centered, left aligned, or right aligned, adjust the alignment setting before placing it. And if you want larger or smaller lettering, change the height so it matches the scale of your model. Now here's where the 3D part really comes in. If you want your letters to be solid and filled in, check the filled box. This gives the text a complete solid appearance rather than just an outline. If you want your letters to have thickness and feel like real objects, make sure the extruded option is selected as well. Extruded text gives you that raised dimensional effect that works great for signs, plaques, labels, and custom design elements. Once everything looks the way you want, click Place. SketchUp will then let you drop the text into your workspace. Simply click anywhere in your model area to position it. From there, the text becomes part of your scene, and because it's actual geometry, you can move it around, rotate it, or resize it just like any other object in SketchUp. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can add 3D text in SketchUp and turn basic wording into a real design feature. This is a super useful technique for presentations, architectural models, product mock-ups, and any project where you want your labels to look more professional. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple SketchUp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.